We live in a great time for space exploration, and we've witnessed so many things, such as the James Webb Telescope's great image capture of Jupiter and NASA's success in the DART mission. However, in 2031, the space station will be taken down. This means that a new space station will be put up. This space station will have to be convenient, sustainable, and fun. Hi, my name is Charlotte, and I'm going to share with you my design of a sustainable space station that enables long-term explorations, protections, and provides benefits to people on Earth.
My space station has 21 rooms. It has many solar arrays, radiators, and a robot arm. It's shaped like a donut and has tunnel structures to get from one end to the other more efficiently. It has a 3D printing and recycling factory. The 3D printers create plant-based meat using the vegetables and plants grown in the gardens. The recycling room recycles materials to make sure that there's zero waste. The toilets regenerate the waste into either drinking and plant water or fertiliser. This allows astronauts to stay up in space for a longer period of time. There's a lounge, 2 gardens, 2 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, studies and library, kitchens, a recycling factory, a 3D printing lab, storage, a running track and gym, a control centre and headquarters, a lab and spectating balconies. All this makes sure that the space station is fun, convenient and sustainable to live in.